Hi there, Russ Drury from the Success Crew here at Zeppelin. In this video we're going to have a look at comments and how we can collaborate and add notes to our design and interact with other people that might be a member of the project. So I've got a design here that I've been working on and I want to communicate with some of the folks that are part of my team. Perhaps I've noticed an inconsistency in the design. I want to bring someone in to make a change. So I'm going to comment right next to this word user here because I want that changed. I'm going to click on Command key and click on my mouse, and that will bring up the ability to add a note. And what I'm going to do here is type a message to someone, but I'm also going to direct it specifically to one of my team members just by mentioning them. And when I put an @ symbol there, it will bring up this option to either notify all project members, everyone in the organization, and you can then tag in people specifically. So I'm going to tag in Robert Cullen here and say, can you please change the copy from user to profile? And that's because everywhere else I've called it profile, and so I want to call it profile on this screen as well. Now you'll notice along the top that we have these coloured dots, and you can really use these in any way you want to differentiate your notes one from another. We've seen people use these for the type of role. So designers might use yellow, and orange might be used for developers, copywriters red, QA testers green, whatever it might be. I'm going to go ahead and just select the yellow and post that there. Now you can see that because I use Markdown, it's also added some slight changes to the formatting of this that makes it easier for me to identify. And as I just click out of that note there, you can see that actually another one has appeared, and Rob, sure enough, has discovered the same problem that we have, is that there's an inconsistency. So actually he's already alert to this because I've shared it with him. I'm going to go and reply, yep, I just spotted that too. I'll close the other comment and we can get working on it. So I'm also going to tag him in so he knows that I've sent this to him. I've now got a threaded conversation going on here where I can either edit my comments or delete something. In this case, I'm actually going to take the one that I completed earlier, and I'm going to delete that. It's just going to confirm I know that I'm going to delete that, and that's now been removed. So that's a great way to communicate with others in your project, just by adding notes to the screen. And there's a couple of places that I can locate these. In the top right hand corner you can see that I've got the notes where it will consolidate all notes on this screen, and I can filter those by whether they're open, whether I've been mentioned in those, whether they're resolved notes, and I can also filter them by color as well. Likewise, I can also switch them on or off just using the small monkey icon, the emoji at the bottom here, and I can either make them visible or not, and likewise I can also access the same information that I have there as well. So really powerful, really useful way of interacting with people that you have on your team and you want to alert them to points of your design.